Recording. That's the second time I got you.
Oh my god, I hate you!
Well, we did that as an auditorium. Oh my god. Good job, Susan. Why is it vibrating? Good job. Still recording. Not over there though. I just hit you with this camera. That's recording. Ew, that was gross. Grody.
Did you do that on camera? Hey,
Yes, I did.
Let's play and see if it heard me burping.
No, it doesn't have sound on here. That's about the camera.
Oh, I should have done it when mine was on.
Well, like, it has sound, but, like, you can't hear it off the camera. Get your feet off my feet, you feet raper.
Oh my god, stop punching. Ah! Oh! Oh, this is going on YouTube. I don't want anybody else but you on that.
Oh, it's going on YouTube? Okay. Hey.
Oh, don't lick it. Okay. Okay.
Let's go watch my fishies swim.
Oh, it's so as a nature show.
Nature show.
Is this your laptop? Does it work?
I think.
When was the last time you were on it?
Last night. Don't turn it on.
No.
Do my interesting rat friend.
My rat friend.
And that was my rat. His name is Poop. We are done. I need to turn this thing off.
No!